Hi, my name is Swetha. I'm currently pursuing my BTech in Artificial Intelligence and Data Science at SA Engineering College. I'm from Chennai. I completed the AIML course with HCL GUVI to strengthen my technical skills and industry guidelines. I wanted to move beyond the theory and gain the practical experience and job-oriented skills. Since AIML are fast-growing fields, it felt it was important to upgrade my skill set and understand how concepts are applied in my real life scenarios. When I joined the course, I expected the structured learning, hands-on experience, and real-time example. I also hoped the course would help me feel more confident and about projects and interviews. But in the HCL GUVI, they explain the concept in depth and with real-world example. It's more understandable format to explain easy for the students to understand the concepts, and the hands-on experience they are teach very well. I completed the sentiment analysis, chat GPT comments. It's very give the more excitement about how the deep learning works, and the RAG model City 360. It gives combine of all the concepts in the deep learning. It is useful to gaining the real world examples and knowledge. I gained the skills like Python, machine learning algorithms, deep learning algorithms, data pre-processing and analysis, model training, evaluation, and some of the libraries like NumPy, Pandas, and Matplotlib. It is very useful for my projects. HCL GUVI's learning approach definitely boosted my confidence and my technical skills. The industry aligned curriculum and hands-on experience made me feel more prepared to build a career in AI/ML field. The way mentors broke down the complex ML concepts into simple explanations and guide us step by step during projects made learning such easier and more confident. I have so many doubts about the projects while I'm created my own projects algorithms, and they helped me how the algorithms works and how to do what are the websites are available. They asked and clear my doubts. Looking back, I have become more disciplined and confident and practical in my approach to learning. I now focus on understanding concepts deeply and applying them rather than just memorizing. My HCL GUVI journey transformed my interest in AI into practical and job ready skills. My advice would be if you are serious about building a teach career, HCL GUVI is the great place to start. Stay consistent and practical regularly and make full use of mentor support. Most excited about the attending interviews, working on the real world problems, and gaining my technical skills and starting my career in AI and data science with a strong foundation I gained from HCL GUVI.